I was originally looking at a Porsche.
Got it.
$100,000 car. She said, we got you approved, but you should have a co-signer.
We got you approved, but you should have a co-signer. What does that even mean?
That's what I said to her. I said, so tell me more about that. Do they have an approval or they don't? What do they mean?
Right.
They mean it would help you?
Would be a better interest rate, maybe?
Yeah. Told them I don't want to do the deal. I decided to stay with Mercedes-Benz. I've been watching Doug. I want to do this on my own. My dad says the same thing. You've established your credit. There's no reason you should. She has good income, great credit score, good payment history of the Benz. That's what she wants to do.
So you're saying she's had 3 of the tires replaced because she's gotten nails in them?
She's got nails in them. The pictures, it's hard to tell one picture. The tires do look good.
Here's my concern, is that, like you said, the Carfax is pretty pristine. Yeah. There are lots of service records on here. But I only see 1 tire replaced 12,000 miles ago, and I see several other tires replaced one at a time, like you mentioned, but the ones before that were like 40,000 miles ago. Let me look again. These are all Benz stores. There's not one on here that isn't a Mercedes store. I mean, it's super high miles. There's no way around that. It's 150,000 miles on a 2021 GLE.
No doubt.
So its value is already going to be a little hard to peg just because so far below.
I know.
And unfortunately, it may have just been somebody backing into the car in a parking garage, but once the Carfax is bad, it's just, this is going to be a really difficult car to resell for those 2 reasons. Most people are going to put in a mileage cap on their search. I mean, it's already hard enough to sell a car with over 100,000 miles. No bank is going to finance this, most likely.
This is a car we're probably going to wholesale. For us to sell this car is probably not even a possibility.
Probably not. And we really can't verify. We don't have much in here for conditional disclosure. I really think that 17,750 is a fair number given what we do know about it, given the bad Carfax. And
it is what it is.
I'm not saying it isn't worth more than that. But again, Mannheim is 19.
Is it? Cars like this out of state sight unseen. You can't put your hands on it. It's just.
Well, here's the thing. It's also getting a lot of value add for the options it has for being AMG line, panel roof, and driver assist.
It's a decent build for.
Well, I'd say it's better than decent. Let me pull it. It's black, AMG line with the 21-inch multi-spokes. Oh, but I don't see driver assist though.
It doesn't.
Assist is selected here.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, so we got to take that off. It's still a good build. This is the most epic odometer adjustment I've ever seen. $16,000 odometer adjustment. That's what happens when you drive super high miles.
It is what it is, let's be honest. You have to put the numbers together and see what it works for. CarMax is at $20,250, which seems high to me, obviously, but...
That's where we'd be without the bad Carfax.
Interesting.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Well, I'd love the opportunity to work with her.
Yeah.
She's in South Carolina. Okay, they have that flat tax down there. So if CarMax is hitting her at 20, whatever, then she may as well sell it to them. Because we're not going to be there.
And it's transport.
And it also is going to save on the transport. He's not in a state with a big tax credit that would make sense to, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's true.
So really we should leave the trade out of it for those purposes. Because I'm at 19,150. If she lived in Ohio, then yeah, the tax credit would actually probably benefit her, but she doesn't, right? There's going to be a bunch of shipping that would get involved, and anyway, so